there are a number of the news are airing throughout the India and throughout the world. But the news came from the Jammu and Kashmir, where Indian Prime Minister PM Modi visited first time after the scrapping Article 370 and 35A, and he inaugurated and he laid the foundation of the 6,400 crore rupees projects for the development of the Jammu and Kashmir and the Ladakh regions. And it was the first visit of the Prime Minister after the scrapping Article 370 and 35A. And he held also a public meeting in which he said that the some family of the Jammu and Kashmir, political family, did not want the growth and progress of the Jammu and Kashmir. So that's why the youth of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, they are pelting the stone for the daily usage for 500 rupees as a 400 rupees. And after that, he also aimed the Congress party. Congress party never wanted to solve the Jammu and Kashmir issues after the scrapping of the Article 370 and 35A. And Congress telling lies to the people of the India, public of the India, about the Article 370 and 35A. But after scrapping it, the Jammu and Kashmir is going leap and frog the progress throughout the country. And after that, in the NDTV Defense Summit, Indian Defense Minister Rajnath Singh also recalled their days during the Vajpayee government. Rajnath Singh was a minister, a cabinet minister during the Vajpayee government, and he is at this time also a cabinet minister in Modi government. He compared the both government. He said that at the time of the Vajpayee government, the world did not take India so seriously. And at this time, when Modi government has a majority, as a single party majority in the Lok Sabha, then after the world listen and understand India very well in the comparison of the Manmohan Singh government, in the comparison of the Vajpayee government. And then after, he also insisted that India is ready to fight any war if any enemy of the country attacked on the India. And after that, in the Maharashtra, Bharatiya Janata Party finalized the deal for the seat sharing for the next incoming Lok Sabha election 2024. It's 2 alleys. In the Maharashtra, there are the 48 Lok Sabha seats, in which the Bharatiya Janata Party would contest 32 seats, and 12 seats would go with the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena, and 4 seats would go to the Ajit Pawar-led National Congress Party or NCP. And then after in this way, in Maharashtra, BJP declared their deal, and then after seat sharing formula has been done. And in the news came from the Indian embassy from the Russia, there was a man from the Hyderabad who spent 11 lakhs rupees to settle, to do the business, to find a job in the Russia. That person was duped by the travel agent, that's duped by the agent, and he started to work in the private army of the Russia. That name is the Muhammad Aswan, and that person was killed during the war between Ukraine and Russia, and he martyred for the Russia against Ukraine while fighting in the war. So it is the very well said that we need to understand that such a youth like Muhammad Aswan did not go in such way, and they are duped by the agent. So be clear that where we have to spend money, where we have to settle down, where we have to find the job, we need to understand it. And after that, the news came from the Dharamsala, where the 5th test match that was played between the India and the England in this test series, in which on the first day, England cricket team bowls out by Indian cricket team only 218 runs, in which their opener batsman Jack Crowley made 79 runs, and Indian spin bowler Kuldeep Yadav took the 5 wickets, and R. Ashwin took 4 wickets, and Ravindra Jadeja took only 1 wicket. So in this way, 218 runs made by the England cricket team in the first inning of the 5th test in the Dharamsala. And in the answering to their innings, Yashasvi Jaiswal and Rohit Sharma started their innings, in which the 57 runs made by Yashasvi Jaiswal, but he was ousted at this time. He has been caught. He has been stumped by the English wicketkeeper James Fox. And then after the 1 wicket loss, India made the 135 runs, and Indian skipper Rohit Sharma on the crease with a half century.